Hello everyone, it is a beautiful afternoon right here at the farm. So guys, I want to start by apologizing. We have not been consistent for the last few weeks. It is just like we have been caught up doing a lot of stuff, but now as we talk right now, we are back. So guys, I want to announce this, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, guys, we are bringing you one of the amazing episodes starting from this week and going beyond. So if you're not a subscribe, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel so that you'll be part of this amazing family. So guys, into this video, I want to share with you something amazing. As you know, we just came out to graze at this particular time. As we speak right now, it is almost around 3 p.m. So usually at the farm right here, we do two shifts. We have a morning shift and then what, evening shift. But simply because for the last few weeks, a lot has changed. Right now in the world, we have this issue of climate change, and it is all over. For some people, they are what, they are having a lot of heat waves, and for us here, we are receiving what, heavy rainfall, and it has also what affected us. As we talk right now, we just came out for grazing, and yet at this particular point, we were supposed to come back for our evening shift. So as a farmer, if your normal routine has changed, that means you also you are going to be affected. So for us goat farmer, during the rainy season, when you have a lot of rain, basically for us here, we are affected by many two things. We have bloating, we have diarrhea, and then lastly we talk about what, worms. So, and for someone who is watching that this very video, you have to understand that if you are having this kind of climatic change, you need to get prepared. And that's why for us here, we are adapting according to the situation. So sometime back, I told you, we are harvesting our alfalfa. Just to go back to this issue of climatic change, it has also affected the way how we handle our alfalfa. As we talk right now, we have almost half an acre that has already been spoiled. Why is it just spoiled? Simply because of this rain. When you are dealing with alfalfa is a little bit sensitive. The way how you take it, you dry it, you preserve it, so that you maintain the nutrient content in it. And when we talk about alfalfa, it is a protein. So these changes in climate, it has affected our alfalfa. As we talk right now, half an acre of alfalfa is spoiled, because remember, when we started to harvest this alfalfa, it was it was not raining a lot, so we were trying to dry it, and then it became this issue of what, heavy rain. So we cannot even dry it properly, so it got spoiled. So guys, the animal are grazing over there, but we also want to graze. For us, we don't graze it. So we have some little bit of some fruits over here. I don't know the name in English, but it is very sweet. So that means it contains a lot of energy, right? From it, so we are enjoying it. It is just so sweet and so yummy. Even the animal love it, but for them they eat the leaves, and for us here, we enjoy the fruits. So come, join me and let's enjoy the beauty of these fruits and our village. This is a period for it, and for someone who may want to know the name, it is called the local language, it's called pobo, but in English I don't know. But yeah, here we are. It is very sweet. So guys, basically that was it, and if you're watching up to this point, I really appreciate. But if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please guys, make sure you like the video, subscribe to this channel so that you'll be part of amazing family. Guys, I'm telling you, there are only a few people who are bringing you this kind of content, and that's why for us here, we say at the farm, we have amazing content coming your way every Friday, every week. So guys, like with that being said, I can't wait to see you in our next episode. Bye bye.